Okay, let's start our configuration again for FICO. The first part, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Okay, we'll define the mother company. New entries, map 9, or let's say cap 9, cap group, let's say, oh no, UK, cap 9, group, UK. English currency, GBP. Okay, save. Gap 950. Here 80. So mother company is Gap 9. Okay, this we have made. Now we'll make the operational company code, the one that will create financial statements like profit and loss, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. Okay, and of course, material ledger for inventory. Edit company code data, new entries, Gap 9, Dubai, group, city, Dubai, AE, currency, USD, English, save, Gap 9, Gap 9, enter. Okay, so we've made a company code. Okay. Next comes in segment. Now, segment, basically, what is segment? Basically, this is your business vertical. So we'll make new entries. Gap 9, passenger vehicles, GSUV. Okay, save. So these are two business verticals that we'll be working on for our production, for inventory, for product costing, for entries, and all of the profitability will be reported under these two branches that we have in our Gap 9 group. Okay. Okay, now what we've created is company code, and segment. Okay. Next. After definition, we have assignment. Assign company code to company. We'll assign it to mother company. We'll assign the company code to company because that is a mother company that is only solely for reporting purposes. Mother company is only concerned with reporting. Okay. So it says company code, company differs from company code currency. No, don't worry, doesn't matter. Just press enter and it will be gone. Save. So we can assign multiple company codes to a company. So a mother company will be sitting at the top. Okay. This is done. Now, next is we build chart of accounts. In chart of accounts, we'll make chart of accounts later. Let's handle the ledgers first. Fields, field status variants, company code to field status variants. And what I'll do is let's define field status variants first. In the last class, we discussed about field status variants, GL entries. The entries that we saw in the general entries, those are done in the fields, and the control of showing some fields and for not showing some fields is basically governed by field status variants. So I'll just pick this up, 0001, copy as gap 9. And this is given by default by SAP. Okay, and it says, okay, entry 1 of the entries to be copied has dependent copy all, and it has copied 46. Now, what has it copied? It has copied these groups from 0001, these groups. Okay, so we have field control. Okay, the screen fields. Now, this is one field that you can see. This is one field. Over here, you can see it is in gray. I cannot change it. So this is the control. As a user, as a consultant, I can introduce controls over these fields. So I can make some fields on display mode and some fields for changing mode. So over here, I can change the description. So if I say cost accounts, double click, the controls that I have are here. Accounts like, for example, cost center is optional. This is costing and controlling production planning order suppress. Okay, personnel number is suppress. Suppress means hidden. This is required entry. So if I'm entering a financial document and if it is made required, for example, a cost center, then it will not allow me to pass or post the document without giving cost center if it is required. But over here, it's optional, means we can either fill this field of cost center or any. Under optional, we can bypass it. So this is what we have, various field controls for various fields. Okay, so we have made this gap 9. Yes. Okay, assign company code to field status. Okay, over here, I'll go for gap 9. Now, gap 9, gap field status variance is also gap 9. Save. Okay, this is done. Fiscal year. Maintain fiscal year variant. I want January to December just to keep it straightforward and simple, and that I'll go for position. K4. So K4 is January, December, calendar year 12 and 4 special. Okay. And okay. January, December, K4. I will just mention it and assign it to company code. This is also important. Gap 9. So at company code level, we give the fiscal variant. So other company codes can have a different fiscal variant. Save. Save.